Matt from Mustang Seats. Today we're going to be installing our chrome-studded touring seat on our 2011 FLHR. We're going to start by removing the stock seat bracket. There's 2 bolts, one on each side. You want to remove those. Set that out of the way. The next step is to come back here and remove the Phillips head that holds the stock seat on. Be careful when you put a wrench back here. You don't want to scratch the touring box. All right, seat's out of the way. Our next step, we're going to be removing the stock backrest. I come in here. There's going to be about 6 bolts back here. They're all 7/16. You want to remove those. And along with this is going to come the pad as well. The new one's going to come with your custom touring seat. So our next step is going to be to install the chrome-studded touring seat backrest. They give you all new hardware with this backrest, so don't worry about keeping track of your existing hardware. Pretty straightforward. Just put the studs through the existing holes. And then tighten up your 7/16 bolts here. Just snug them up at first, that way everything's aligned. And come back and tighten everything up. This backrest comes with a new seat pad too, so you don't have to worry about keeping that stock Harley one that's nice and thin. Alright, once you get those tightened up, you want to shut this thing and make sure everything lines up like it's supposed to and everything closes. Alright, backrest installed. Before we install the seat, we have to put the bracket for the backrest on. As supplied are these 2 washers to basically bridge the bracket to the fender so we don't leave any marks on the paint. All the hardware here is 7/16. Pretty straightforward, bolt together. Once again, get everything loose and then come back and tighten it when it's all lined up. All right, that's your bracket for your backrest. Seat goes on top of that. Next, we're going to install custom touring studded seat. Seat's all lined up. Just want to put your stock Phillips head bolt back in. One of the major differences between the stock seat and the Mustang seat is this backrest that's supplied. That simply slides into that bracket that we just previously installed. It's adjustable with a bolt in the back here. Slides in, slides out. It's that easy. And that's your Mustang seat. This has been an install for the custom studded touring seat from Mustang. Just take it simple and it should go pretty easy.